Alright, this is how you're gonna kill a 3-cylinder 2-stroke boat motor. I'm in a Caterpillar Excavator and I'm about to rip the flywheel off of this thing. Now if you all sit back and watch and enjoy this show, because I know I'm gonna enjoy this as well as you are. Alright. Put you all right there, and here we go. Oh, I need to get a little closer. That's alright, if it fell, that's fine, that's fine. Alright, so I need to rip this flywheel off. I don't know if you can see it alright, but this is how I'm gonna go about doing it. Since I'm too lazy to go get the actual socket, I'm just gonna use the tongs here to try to rip the flywheel off. This is what the good thing about having an excavator is for. Success? No. Just gotta watch out for the tools. That's the only thing about having a non-opposable thumb that's bad. Ah, fuck. I'm going to bring it closer to me. Sorry it's so bouncy, folks. God, I feel freaking handicapped. I tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, having a non-opposable thumb really does suck. So if you ever get one of these, get an opposable thumb. It's well worth the money spent. Huh, there goes the freaking starter ring. That's one way to take one of them off.